Today I want to share my views on the time to wean a baby. So when is the right time? And more important for me, what is the right time for me to wean a baby? So I like weaning the babies rather earlier than later. So if I talk about early weaning, the baby should be around about 30 days old. So I put the babies to ground early because then they learn to eat and drink that much quicker. So take for example this beauty. Now this is one of my entries going to Africa Pro, and she's just over 30 days old now. So the development of a baby is of utmost importance if you want to achieve success, and that should be everyone's goal. Now I'm 100% satisfied that this is a great handler, absolutely magnificent, and the breeding is superb. So this one I'm calling Seattle Slew, after the well-known racehorse, and she's going to be one of my entries, well, hopeful entries at the Great Africa Pro. So I believe in babies to take the air quickly. When I've weaned them, they should be in the air within 2 to 3 days from weaning. Even if it's just out of a loft up to the roof, but they need to develop as quick as possible. The reason therefore is that if you leave a baby to get too old before taking the air, it's difficult for them to fully develop the large pectoral muscles like these ones, because the two big pectoral muscles propels the wings to let the pigeon perform or not perform. So development of the pectoral muscles, these great muscles, is so important. If you leave a baby for too late, the chances of losing him is also good, because it gets too strong, and then at first flight he can just fly away and never return. So for me, 30 days is the perfect age, and they must go to the air as soon as possible. And then if they go to the air, within a week or two, they should do 45 minutes around the loft easily. I'm looking for natural athletes that you do not struggle with. And usually if a baby takes to air easily and stays in the air for long times, it's a great indication. So that's my view on development of babies, and I place a lot of emphasis on it. Have a good day.